as instruction. If you come. So how was the Caravansarai? When you stop here, this is the best Caravansarai in Damascus.
This was a caravansarai?
The best one and still
The
empty.
best one.
Still empty. Look at here was Caravansarai but markets.
Yeah.
Here is the biggest Caravansarai
Yes.
and now empty. And
Right here in the cardo, there's the remains of one of the caravansarais right there. And the best caravansarai in Damascus with a beautiful opulent entrance to it with its doors. This one dates back to the 1749. It's called Asad Pasha Al Azem. The door pretty small, so you know they would have the doors open, so they come in with their camels and horses, and then the small door is for the people to enter, and they would have to bend over to go in. And this is the inside of the caravansarai. Now it's a cafe and some other kind of business. But this is a caravansarai originally. Of course, it was free of charge because the people were bringing in their products to the city, so there was no charge for the people coming in with their camels, their horses, their products coming in from as far away as imagination could let you think of. You know, as part of the caravansarais, they were product of the Silk Road. So the Silk Road, this is part of the Silk Road.